You may be experiencing an issue where your Tecno Camon 50 Pro screen isn't responsive, it's frozen, or it's lagging, or it feels slow. And a simple fix for this is to force restart your Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So to do this, you'll need to identify the power button, which is on the right side of the device. And what you want to do is press and hold this button for about 5 to 7 seconds, and your phone is going to force a shutdown and boot back up. So we're going to try this together. Press and hold. Ignore error. You may even not see these options since your phone may be stuck. And your phone is going to shut down, then boot back up. You should see the Tecno logo. So give it a few moments to boot back up. Allow the normal boot up process. And once you see the Tecno AI logo, you should now be let back into your home screen of your Tecno Camon 50 Pro, hopefully having resolved any issue that you were experiencing. So that's how to force a restart on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.